Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer giving printouts with white lines and you don't know how to fix the issue? For one-on-one assistance, please call us at the number displayed. The white lines appear due to clogged printheads. To resolve the issue, we need to run a head cleaning. So let's get started. First, go to the printer display, then scroll to Settings and open it. Under Settings, select Maintenance. Scroll to Head Cleaning and select it. Now, press the Start button to begin print head cleaning. If you're finding this step easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing any other issue with your Epson printer, please tell us in the comments below. Once done, select Nozzle Check and press OK. Load a letter or A4 size paper in the rear paper feed. Now, press the Start button to print. Receive the nozzle check result and check if the color lines are not breaking.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.